BTS all the time. Okay, so I got this bookshelf from Target. Can I flip this? Oh, there we go. So 5-shelf bookcase for my things in my room. I don't really have anywhere to put my things, so they're kind of just in the way right now. So I'm going to work on putting this together while I listen to some BTS. This is to help me get through putting this bookshelf together. I don't even know what tools I need. Let's do this. You know how there's people who read manuals, and then there's people who don't read manuals and just kind of wing it? I'm a read the manual kind of person. A little tight here, but I mean it's still manageable. I still can walk by normally. So my room is a disaster. I'm just trying to redo a lot of stuff. I just have so much clutter in here. So okay, time to start organizing that. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the side as you're walking towards. I just have that box there for now because without that the mirror is too low. And then this is what we're looking at right now. It's not quite done yet and it's not perfect, but it's better than what it was. And I was planning to hang these up on top of the mirror, and then I was gonna get a little stand for this magazine. I've got my RM, JK, and G-Min cold brew bottles there. They only had these 3 at the store when I was there. They didn't have the other 4, so that's the ones I have. Those are the ones I have for now. Here I've got my Polaroid, my DSLR. This is a box of just pictures and random things. This is kind of like a souvenir dealio from a road trip I was on. Got my Cricut. Just some decorations. Just a little coin jar there, and then these are kind of like my hair and makeup tools. I sit on the ground next to the mirror when I'm doing that, so I just figured the bottom shelf. And then this is what I have on this side for now on my dresser. Not great, but better than it was. I'm on my way to Cup Foods. I just got some like homemade chili oil from someone, and I was thinking of making some wonton soup. So that's what I'm going to Cup Foods for, is to get stuff for that. So here's the chili oil that I got. I gave some of it to my mom, but I'm just gonna put a little bit into my soup, and then got a little chopped green onion for garnish. Ooh. But it's pretty bland, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of this fish sauce, squid brand. Give it a little bit of flavor. Stir it up.